Many people don't know that they have to pay for Medicare at all, so it can certainly come as quite a surprise when people find out that they have to pay a premium for Medicare Part B. In 2022, the base Medicare Part B premium is $170.10. We'll get back to that definition of base premium in just a minute. Hi there, my name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to talk about how you can potentially lower your Medicare Part B monthly premiums. At iHealthBrokers, we are licensed health insurance brokers, so if you have any questions whatsoever about your Medicare coverage or health insurance in general, please feel free to send us a message in the comments, or you can give us a call at 888-410-0344. We are licensed nationwide with over 200 carriers, and there is absolutely no charge for our services. And of course, please do make sure to subscribe because we release these videos on a weekly basis with updates and of course Medicare tips to make sure that our clients and our viewers are as well informed as possible. So today we're going to be talking about how to lower your Medicare Part B monthly premium. But if you want to learn more about Medicare or if you have any other health insurance related questions, please make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video because there will be a playlist devoted entirely to Medicare. And as always, please make sure to like this video, click the thumbs up. Liking this video will make it more visible to others looking for the same type of information. And you can find us not only on YouTube, but on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the base Medicare Part B premium in 2022 is $170.10. I say base premium because the premium is dependent upon your income. So if you have a higher income, your premium could be more than $170.10, and we're going to discuss that in just a moment. There are also deductibles and coinsurance that you should be aware of. So in 2022, the deductible for Medicare Part B is $233. That means you'll need to meet that out of pocket, not including your premiums, before you're responsible for coinsurance. With Medicare Part B, your coinsurance is 20% of the Medicare approved amount. Now, Medicare Part B is your outpatient insurance, and together with Part A, it's going to cover most of your medical needs. So let's circle back and talk about how to potentially lower your Medicare Part B monthly premium. Check out the chart on the screen. Now, as you'll notice, the amount that you pay is dependent upon your income. Now, what you may or may not notice is that it's looking at your income from 2020. So Medicare is looking at your income from 2 years prior. Since we're in 2022, we'd be looking at 2020. But if you've retired recently, you may be making significantly less money than you were making 2 years ago. If that's the case, you could be in line for a readjustment. So what you need to do is file Form SSA-44, which I'm going to put a link to in the description below. This is also sometimes referred to as IRMAA. And basically what it's going to do is ask Medicare to reconsider your income now that you have a new income, an adjusted income, and adjust your premiums to reflect your new income. So if that's the case, you could see a significant savings. Even if your income hasn't changed drastically due to retirement, there are of course other ways that you can potentially lower your MAGI, lower your income, to possibly take advantage of some of those savings. So if you are somebody that is in a higher bracket and having to pay a little bit more for your Medicare Part B, you may want to talk to an accountant and see if there are ways that you can lower your income to make you eligible for those lower monthly premiums. While we're talking about speaking with an accountant, you may want to itemize your deductions. Specifically, you may want to look at your medical expenses. If you incur major medical expenses in a given year, that's including your premiums and additional medical expenses, then you may want to itemize your deductions to make sure that you're eligible for a larger refund. So speak to your accountant if you feel like you've incurred major medical expenses in a specific year. If your income is on the lower end, there are also ways that you can help to lower your monthly premium. So you may be eligible for Medicare savings programs. Make sure to check out our video that's dedicated entirely to Medicare savings programs because I'm only going to touch upon them in today's video, but I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Just make sure to scroll down. Basically, Medicare savings programs can help you to pay for your Part B monthly premiums. They may also help with Part D, which is your prescription drug coverage, and certain plans can also help to pay for Part A if you're somebody that is still paying for Medicare Part A. Now, they're going to look at your assets and your income, and the criteria can be rather stringent, but there are many people that are eligible for these programs that don't know it and don't take advantage of it, and they can definitely help to pay for Medicare Part B and more. So please make sure to check out that video, which I will put in the description below. All the options that we've discussed so far have to do with original Medicare, which is Part A and Part B, but you can also choose to go the Medicare Advantage route. Now, many Medicare Advantage plans will claim that they are quote-unquote free. They're absolutely not free. We discussed that at length in several other videos. Many Medicare Advantage plans will offer you additional benefits, but you'll still have to continue to pay for Medicare Part B at the very least. However, there are certain Medicare Advantage plans which will basically offer you a rebate towards your Part B. So they may offer you some money back to go towards your Medicare Part B monthly premiums. However, please proceed with caution. Just because something looks good on paper, just because it seems like the cheapest option, it may not serve you in the long run. If the doctors and hospitals that you need to visit are not in network, if your plan does not include the benefits that you need, then it may cost you more in the long run. So please, if you are going to go the Medicare Advantage route, you're going to want to work with a broker to make sure that it's the right plan for your needs. If you want to learn more about Medicare Advantage plans, also known as Part C, I will put some links to videos in the description below. And of course, make sure to check out our channel because we've got plenty of videos about Medicare Advantage plans versus Medicare Supplement plans and a lot more. If you like this video, please make sure to click like and of course subscribe as well. Click that subscribe button, that way you can stay up to date. If you have any questions, if there are experiences you'd like to share or anything you feel like we've left out of this video or a video that you'd like to see, you can let us know in the comments below. And of course, if you have questions, if you need help, you can reach us at 888-410-0344. There is absolutely no charge for our services and we are more than happy to help. And if you're so inclined, make sure to check us out on Facebook at iHealthBrokers. We've got a group dedicated entirely to Medicare, and you can find us on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.